What's ahead for mortgage rates and home prices? Now that the end of 2022 is within sight, you may be wondering what's going to happen in the housing market next year and what it may mean if you're thinking about buying a home. Well, here's a look at the latest expert insights on both mortgage rates and home prices so you can make your best move possible. Mortgage rates will continue to respond. In fact, today was a record single-day drop in rates after inflation came in a little bit cooler. There's no doubt mortgage rates have skyrocketed this year as the market responded to high inflation. The increases we've seen fast and dramatic, but as we have seen today, they can also make a big drop. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate even surpassed 7% at the end of last month. This is the first time they've risen this high in over 20 years. See the graph I've attached below. In their latest quarterly report, Freddie Mac explains just how fast the climb in rates has been. Just 1 year ago, rates were under 3%. This means that while mortgage rates are not as high as they were in the 80s, they have more than doubled in the past year. Mortgage rates have never doubled in a year before. Because we're in unprecedented territory, it's hard to say with certainty where these mortgage rates will go from here. Experts do agree that moving forward, mortgage rates will continue to respond to inflation. If inflation stays high, the mortgage rates likely will too. Home price changes will vary by market. As the buyer demand has eased this year in response to those higher mortgage rates, home prices have dropped in many markets too. The experts' general consensus is home price appreciation will vary by local market, with more significant changes happening in the overheated areas. It all depends on other factors at play in that local market, like the balance between supply and demand. This may be why experts are divided on their latest national forecast. I've also included a graph below. Bottom line, if you want to know what's happening with home prices or mortgage rates, reach out to me. I'm a trusted real estate professional for the latest on what the experts are saying and what that means for your local area. Thank you, and this has been a market update by Cathy Ruiz.